Now friends, in this page we have to write 4-bar rhythm using the note values we know. Okay, so let's make these bar lines first, then it's easier for us to maintain the measures. Okay, so second, third. Okay, so let's start now with the first one. So you can see this is 3, no, let's 2 by 4. So let's 2 by 4. Let's start with the minim. So we can start with the minim. Okay, we'll start with the minim beat. Okay, then we move to next one. Then we can have 2 crotchet beats. Now we can have 2 quavers beamed together, and then we can have 1 crotchet beat, and then again we can finish with 1 minim. Okay, next is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4, let's start with a dotted crochet beat. Now we'll complete this first with a single quiver, and we can finish it. So we finish here. Now we can finish with 1 crochet beat. Okay, now next is again 3 beats. So let's start with a crochet beat now, and then finish with 1 minim. Then we can have 4 quavers, and 1 crochet beat, and last finish we can finish with the dotted minim. Okay, now let's start 4 by 4. So with the 4 by 4 we can go with 2 minim first, 2 minim beats. Then we can go with 2 crochet beat and 4 quiver beats. Next we can have 1 dotted minim and 1 crochet beat, and last we can finish with the semi drill. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is again 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 we can start with a dotted crochet beat. We finish with a single quiver, then we can have 2 crochet beats, or let's make 1 crochet beat and then 2 quiver, and then we can have this time we'll have this quivers first and make 1 crochet beat, and then finish with then minim. Okay, next is 3 by 4. Let's start with the minim first. Let's do a minim and a crochet beat. Let's make these lines first. So we were here. Now we move second. So we move, let's make a crochet minim, a dotted minim, sorry. So make a dotted minim. We complete here. Let's make 3 crochet beats, and finish with again with 1 dotted minim. Okay, now next is written C. So this means common time, that means 4 by 4. So let's start with 4 quavers, and 1 minim, Now we can start here 4 crochet beats. Then we can have 2 minims, and we can have 1 semi break. Okay, next is 4 by 2 by 4, sorry. So this time let's use the we learned semi quiver, so let's use them. 1 2 3 4. And we can have 1 crochet beat here. Okay, now this time let's make 1 crochet beat, and then again make 4 semi quivers. Now we can have 2 quiver, 1 crochet beat, and finish with the minim. Okay, the last one is 3 by 4. So let's start. This time we'll do a dotted minim to start. Then we can have 4 quivers, and 1 crochet beat, sorry, 2 crochet beat with that. No, we'll complete with 1 that is already is there. We have completed this part. So this is, we finish 1 crochet beat, 2 crochet beat, and 3. Okay, let's make 1 crochet beat here, then 1 minim beat here, and last we finish with a dotted minim again. Okay, so friends, here we finish our second topic also, that is the note values. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share it and subscribe it. So now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.